Hey guys, check out our 2021 Bennington 25QX. Beautiful color, absolute beautiful blue. The Yamaha 250 show. Speakers are going, Christmas time. Blade power pole. Some rod holders for fishermen. This trailer is amazing. It's bored. Huge front porch here. Storage right up front. Awesome place for your anchors. Real nice lounger here. Changing station down in there. The seats are just absolutely beautiful. Raised helm, great view for the captain. Nice size Garmin in here. Got Rockford Fosgate radio head. All the speakers are the Roswell package. Nice extra radio in there. There's your power pole. Got all your lights, RGB lights here. Change the colors. Look at that, 16-person capacity, so you can fit everybody on this boat. Armrests on every single lounger. Built-in cup holders. Awesome area back here to jump off of. There's your blade power pole. Obviously, speakers back here are great. Double bimini. Boat is very lightly used. It hardly looks like it's ever been used, to be honest with you. Come and take a look.